Welcome to Adventure Pulse, the channel where we uncover the world's most fascinating places and incredible feats of engineering. Today, we journey to China to explore a marvel of modern construction, the DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge. This extraordinary structure holds the title of the world's longest bridge, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Let's dive into its history, construction, and significance. The genesis of a megaproject. China's rapid economic expansion over the last few decades has necessitated the development of extensive infrastructure. The DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge is a pivotal part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, a project aimed at reducing travel time between China's two major cities. The bridge spans a staggering 164.8 kilometers, 102.4 miles, stretching over rivers, lakes, and rural landscapes. Construction challenges. Building the DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge was no small feat. The project commenced in 2006 and concluded in 2010, involving around 10,000 workers. The total cost of the bridge was approximately $8.5 billion. Given its length, engineers faced numerous challenges, including varying terrains, environmental impacts, and the need for robust materials that could withstand extreme weather conditions. Innovative engineering solutions. To tackle these challenges, engineers employed several innovative techniques. The bridge comprises numerous sections designed to accommodate different types of terrain and water bodies. Over marshlands and wetlands, for example, builders used long viaducts to minimize environmental disruption. Additionally, prefabricated sections of the bridge were constructed off-site and then transported to the location, significantly speeding up the construction process and ensuring precision. Structural marvels. The DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge consists of thousands of concrete pillars and beams. It's built to withstand natural calamities such as earthquakes and typhoons, making it not only the longest but also one of the most resilient bridges in the world. The Suzhou Creek section. One of the most notable parts of the bridge is the section that crosses Suzhou Creek. This segment alone stretches for 9 kilometers, 5.6 miles, and required meticulous planning to ensure stability and safety. The Suzhou Creek section stands as a testament to the project's complexity and the engineering prowess involved. Environmental considerations. Constructing a bridge of this magnitude inevitably raises environmental concerns. The project team conducted extensive environmental impact assessments and implemented measures to mitigate negative effects. For instance, during construction, efforts were made to protect local wildlife and minimize habitat disruption. Post-construction, the bridge's design ensures minimal long-term environmental impact. Economic and social impact. The DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge plays a crucial role in China's high-speed rail network, significantly reducing travel time between Beijing and Shanghai to about 5 hours. This reduction in travel time has not only facilitated business and tourism, but also promoted regional economic integration. Boost to local economies. The areas surrounding the bridge have seen considerable economic benefits. Improved connectivity has led to increased investment in local businesses and infrastructure. Towns and cities along the bridge's route have experienced a surge in development, with new opportunities arising in sectors such as retail, hospitality, and real estate. Technological achievements. The construction of the DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge pushed the boundaries of engineering technology. It showcased China's growing prowess in large-scale infrastructure projects and set new standards for bridge construction worldwide. Use of high-quality materials. One of the keys to the bridge's durability is the use of high-quality materials. Engineers selected materials that offer longevity and require minimal maintenance, ensuring that the bridge will serve its purpose for many decades to come. Precision and safety. Safety was paramount throughout the project. Advanced monitoring systems were installed to detect any structural issues in real time, ensuring that the bridge remains safe for use. The precision with which the bridge was constructed is a testament to the meticulous planning and execution by the project team. Visitor experience. While the primary function of the DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge is to facilitate high-speed rail travel, It has also become a point of interest for tourists and engineering enthusiasts. The sheer scale and beauty of the bridge make it a sight to behold. Conclusion. The DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge stands as a monumental achievement in modern engineering. Its construction has not only transformed transportation between Beijing and Shanghai but also showcased China's ability to undertake and complete such an ambitious project. The bridge symbolizes progress, innovation, and the relentless human spirit to overcome challenges and connect the world in new and exciting ways. Thank you for joining us on this journey across the DanYang-Kushan Grand Bridge. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the world's most incredible places and structures, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep your sense of adventure alive with Adventure Pulse.
Breathtaking.